5 simple yet effective time management tasks you should start using today. Are you trying to become an expert time manager? Have you noticed you don't spend your time well throughout the day? We could keep going with these questions all day, but that would be a waste of time, right? We're going to jump into 5 simple yet effective time management tasks you should incorporate into your daily life. 1. Track your time. If someone asked you how long you spend reading emails every day, what would you say? What about your lunch break? Chances are you don't really know how long you spend on certain time blocks of the day. Start tracking your time and learn how to make changes so you can maximize it. 2. Set up time blocks. When you have a certain set of tasks to do every day, set up time blocks for yourself. Give yourself 2 hours to do one thing, then 1 hour for another. It becomes a competition against yourself because you'll be rushing to beat the clock, competing against yourself. 3. Plan it out. Morning person or night owl, it doesn't matter. Use the beginning and the end of your day to make a plan and try your best to stick to it. Before you leave work at night, write a list of important tasks to get done the next day. In the morning, prioritize your list and review the items. Then get to work. 4. Get it out of the way. Eat that frog. Mark Twain said it himself. Pick the most important and most dreaded tasks first and knock them out first thing in the morning. It's such a relief once you finish them. And then the rest of your day is devoted to tasks that you care more about and find more challenging. 5. Delegate when you can. If you have a task on your plate that a subordinate could do, maybe even better than you could, delegate it to them. Some people worry that this is a bad work ethic, but it's part of company culture. You're all on the same team, so it's a matter of asking for help rather than being lazy. Understand what your point of genius is and use your time for those important tasks, while handing off things that you aren't great at or that are below your pay grade. We kept it simple with these tasks. Time management is an art worth perfecting, and you'll get there. Check in with yourself and the clock and make sure you're really optimizing the hours you get in the day. And if you don't, fear not. There's always tomorrow. It's a constant work in progress, so do your best and the rest will fall in place.